Hello and thank you for tuning in to Seyyah Ressam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. If you're a PC gamer or power user tired of dragging long LAN cables around your desk, TP-Link Archer TX3000E may be the upgrade you've been waiting for. For just around $35, this compact Wi-Fi 6 card promises Ethernet-like speeds, low latency, and the convenience of wireless freedom, all wrapped in a sleek red design. Unboxing and first impressions. Opening the Archer TX3000E box, you're greeted with a well-thought-out package. TP-Link includes a magnetic antenna base with a 1-meter extension cable, letting you place the antennas closer to your router or in a better reception spot. You'll also find two high-quality external antennas, a low-profile bracket for compact PC cases, a Bluetooth 5.0 header cable, a driver disc, and a quick installation guide. It's a complete plug-and-play experience, no need to buy extras. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.0 means you can easily connect wireless peripherals, like game controllers or headphones, without using a separate USB Bluetooth adapter. TP-Link ensures that once you install the card and drivers, either from the included CD or via LAN connection, you're ready to go. Design and build quality. The TP-Link Archer TX3000E has a compact PCIe X1 form factor, ensuring compatibility with almost any modern motherboard. It also works with X4, X8, or X16 slots, offering flexibility during installation. The card features a bold red aluminum heatsink, which not only enhances the aesthetics but also helps with thermal management during extended use. What sets it apart is the detachable antenna base, which features a strong magnet, allowing it to snap securely onto metallic surfaces like your PC case. This ensures the antennas stay in place, even during intense gaming sessions or when the desk gets crowded. Installing the card is as simple as inserting it into a free PCIe slot and connecting the optional Bluetooth cable to a motherboard USB header. Performance specs. This Wi-Fi card supports the 802.11ax standard, also known as Wi-Fi 6. It offers blazing fast speeds of up to 2,402 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Combined with Bluetooth 5.0, this makes the TX3000E a powerhouse of connectivity. The Archer TX3000E is optimized for use with TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 routers like the Archer AX73, AX55, or AX5400, leveraging technologies such as OFDMA and MU-MIMO to ensure stable connections even when multiple devices are connected. TP-Link claims the card reduces latency by up to 75%, making it ideal for online gaming and video streaming. Real-world testing. To evaluate real-world performance, I ran the TX3000E through several speed tests. On speedtest.net, it delivered 516.69 megabits per second download and 279.86 Mbps upload, exactly matching the maximum speed of my internet plan. Most impressively, the ping was just 4 milliseconds, perfect for competitive online gaming. Switching to Fast.com, Netflix's own testing tool, which is known to be demanding on network connections. The Archer TX3000E still performed admirably. It recorded 360 megabits per second download with 29 milliseconds latency. Solid proof that it can handle streaming from high-demand platforms effortlessly. Finally, using VNNIC domestic speed test server for localized accuracy in Vietnam, the card again impressed with 606 megabits per second download, 300 megabits per second upload, and 0.6 milliseconds latency. These numbers are extremely close to wired Ethernet performance, which speaks volumes about this card capabilities. Verdict: a must-have for wireless PC setups. The TP-Link Archer TX3000E is more than just a network upgrade. It's a game-changer for those seeking stable, high-speed Wi-Fi on desktop PCs without the clutter of cables. Its Wi-Fi 6 performance, Bluetooth integration, and thoughtful design make it an easy recommendation, especially considering its affordable $35 price tag. If you're planning to build a new PC, or simply want to declutter your setup while maintaining top-tier performance, the Archer TX3000E is a smart and future-proof investment.